C'est à moi de présenter.
Vas-y.
Bonjour. Donc nous sommes le dimanche 17 avril 2011. Il est 8h50. Nous sommes arrivés aux écuries de Bois d'Arcy pour un dressage en compagnie de Sonia qui est venue nous accompagner, de Laurie, de Agathe qui fait une club 3 Grand Prix, une club de Grand Prix et de moi-même qui fait les mêmes épreuves. Et voilà. À tout à l'heure.
Club de Grand Prix, c'est parti les gars.
Is now sounding like the man I was hoping to be. I keep on keeping it real, cause it keeps getting easier, he'll see. There's a reason that I'm laughing, even if there's no one else. You see that you've got to love yourself. You shouldn't mumble when you speak, but keep your tongue up in your cheek. And if you stumble onto something, better remember that it's humble that you seek. You got all the skill you need, individuality. You got something, to call it gumption, to call it anything you want. Because when you play the fool now, you're only fooling everyone else. You're learning to love yourself. Yes, you are. Yes, you There's no price to pay, no, no. When you give and what you take, that's why it's easy to thank you. Take a break from our day and getting back to the old garage, because life's too short anyway, but at least it's better than average. As long as you got me and I got you, you know we got a lot to go around. I'll be your friend, your other brother, another love to come and comfort you. And I'll keep reminding, if it's the only thing I ever do, I will always love from the train. Sounds of 100 people, maybe more. Cut through the ropes before you came. I had a dream you were gone. In the days of throwing rocks, I saw your picture on a silver coin. Stole a kiss through your golden locks. I had a dream you were gone. Woke up and you were gone. Oh, this love has gone away. Cause I didn't have the heart or the strength to say. Cause I miss you when you're gone. Cause I miss you when you're gone. Cause I miss you when you're gone. I miss you when of the rattle from the chains. This goddamn room, it gets so small sometimes. Found a dream, hit the shine. I had a dream, you were gone. Woke up, you were gone. Oh, this love has gone away. Cause I didn't have the heart or strength to say. Cause I miss you when you're gone. Cause I miss you when you're gone. Cause I miss you when you're gone. I miss you. I miss you when you're gone. I miss you when you're gone. I miss you when you're gone. I miss you.
bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. And the dreams that you dare to, why, oh why can't
God is good. what would it look like and would you want to see? If seeing meant that you would have to believe in things like heaven and in Jesus and the saints and all the prophets. And yeah, God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just a slob like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make his way home. He's trying to make his way home. Back up to heaven all alone. Nobody calling on the phone, except for the Pope maybe in Rome. Yeah, God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just a slob like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make his way home. Just trying to make his way home. Like a holy rolling stone. Back up to heaven all alone. Just trying to make his way home.
Fais-moi sourire Sonia avec ta tête. Alors attendez, je vais zoomer sur ton arcade. Vous voyez comment elle est toute enflée Sonia? Elle s'est fait manger par un cheval. Steph, t'as une bosse?
Oui,
Non, on la va pas la voir.
on peut pas la
Elle s'est pris la chaise sur la tronche. Bon bah moi j'ai un bon reste de torticolis d'hier.
Et on
Laurie,
je sais pas comment.
le tout qui tombe.
Je gère les éclopés. Et on s'est bouffé je sais pas combien de fois la porte du camion.
Ah ouais, horrible. On s'est pris des bêtes sur la tête et tout. C'était juste atroce.
C'est sympa aujourd'hui.
Mais
Mais on a passé une bonne journée quand même.
et puis on a plutôt fait des bonnes reprises. Enfin, en soi les pourcentages sont pas trop mauvais. Et voilà.
Avec une 4e et une 5e place entre le 3 et
Et par contre on n'a pas le classement de la club 2, c'est pas très brillant, mais nos pourcentages on est entre 60 et 64, donc c'est pas si mauvais que ça. Donc voilà. Un petit mot à ajouter?
On va aller se soigner. Soigne mon mot.
Donnez-moi un mot.
Oui.
C'est une bonne journée.
Je vais me coucher.
J'espère que ça va dégonfler demain.
C'est une bonne journée.
Ok, c'est pas grave. Et vous voyez, on est saoul de fatigue en fait.
Ah c'est bien, c'est la bonne route.
Et on est sur la bonne route après s'être trompé.
Après un demi-tour involontaire en plus.
Voilà. Bon bah, fin de la journée et rendez-vous au prochain concours.